Hello all, welcome back to the tutorial of C programming for beginners. Hi, this is Sakthi Arun, M.Tech student from NIT Patna. I'm technically supporting the missile Ingeniator. In this lecture video, I'm going to explain you guys with a simple C program for switch statement. For switch statement, I'm going to declare a variable as int. Okay, so the basic syntax for switch statement is we have to give as a switch. Okay, inside the switch we have to pass this variable whatever we declared as a. Okay, before that we have to give the value for an a. Basically you can also declare a constant value here, but what we have to do is, as a best practice, we have to get the values from the user as in the runtime value. So to do that we have to give we have to declare a scanf here. Okay, scanf, and this is a integer value, so we have to give percentage d, and then we have to use ampersand a. Okay, ampersand symbols are basically used in front of the any operand whatever we declared in the in the declaration of a variable. Okay, so what we are doing is we are getting the value from the user. Say I give an integer value like 1 2 3 or any value I can give. Okay, so based upon that I'm going to give a case statement here. Okay, so for the basic syntax of switch statement is we have to give switch here. Okay, and then we have to following by that inside we have to use case. Say if I give the name as a 1 here. Okay, so if it is a 1, then I'm telling like I'm going to give a printf statement that printf. Okay, and then I say that my okay, I say missile engineer. Okay, I say like this, if it is a 1 then print this name. If it is an if it's some other value, say I am going to give for another case statement. If it is 2, then I say that print of. Okay, then I say okay, my name as Shakti Arun. Okay, I'm going to mention like this. Okay, if it is a 2 then print this name. Okay, if it is a case other than that, if any other value, then I say that default you printed print of with the printf statement. Okay, so okay, let me comment this. Okay, such that you will get to know why I give this default in the beginning. Okay, so what happens is now I gave like case statement 1 printf and case statement is 2. Okay, so now I'm going to run the program. Okay, so I give number as 1, enter, and it basically why it has printed the 2 name is I didn't give any break statement. Okay, so to the basic syntax for an switch statement is as soon as you give case you should give break. Okay, if you don't give break, then whatever is the case statement following, it goes on to the next statement and it goes on next. Okay, so to break the further sequence of flow, you have to give an break statement. Okay, so if you don't give break here, so it will print this first what a printer statement is available, or whatever the conditions you are giving inside this case one, it will be executed. Okay, this expression will be executed, and following by that, if you don't have break here, then it go to the next case segment. Okay, and then it start executing further. Okay, if you have multiple case statement, then all these will be executed. If you don't have any break statement, it goes on continuing executions. If you have break, and the flow of execution will be stopped at that point. Okay, so now I gave here break, so now I'm rerunning the program again, and I'm giving the value as 1. Okay, so if you see here, only missile engineer is printed. That's because I have given a break statement here. So at first I gave 1, so it go to the case, it find the identifier as value as 1, so it do the evaluations whatever inside the case statement, and the statement is break, and it come out of the switch loop. Okay, in case if I give value as a 2, so it will give as okay, I run the program again. Now I give value as 2, so it says that the name is Shakti Arun. Okay, so that's what happened here. Now for a next case, say I give the any apart from 1 or 2, if I give 3, what happens here is, let's say it's 3, none of the values printed. Okay, that's because we have only two case statement, 1 and 2. So if you want to print any other if the user is providing any other values, okay, then if it is not available in this case statement, then it has to print like with the default statement should be there. Okay, this default statement print only it will come to the print when none of the case statement is matches in the above statement. Okay, so I'm telling like it's out of range. Okay, so out of case statement range value. Okay, so I say with this command, so whatever we give print inside the printer, that will be displayed, and I give break here. Okay, so now if I run the program again and I say I am giving the some other value like 5. So if you see here, out of case statement range value. Okay, so that's because we can give only 1 and 2. Say I if I don't give any command here. Okay, so if I don't mention any command, so what will happen here is, now when I run the program again. Okay, so now if I give 1, it basically print the value of Sakthi Arun. That's because if you see here, inside the case 1, we don't have any statement to be executed, so we don't even have break statement. So what happens is the switch statement automatically there's a shift the control to the next case statement, and whatever inside it, that will be printed. Okay, so okay, so far I have given a simple C program example for switch statement. If you guys have any doubt or comments, please post it in the comment section. Okay, thank you all for watching this lecture video.